Welcome to today's exciting cricket match. We have a thrilling game ahead of us, so stay tuned for all the action. The team winning the toss has chosen to bowl first. They are taking their positions now. The openers are stepped onto the field, ready to face the new ball. Yeah, the spinner's top of his mark. Watch for some sharp turn. That should be close. That's a very close shout. The captain opts for the review.
Impact outside off.
Good call from the umpire. He's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? Made room, picked the spot, and it's all the way. But he read the ball so early, knew exactly where it was going and sent it packing for 6. Big appeal from the bowler asking that question. But the batter is challenging the umpire's decision.
That is how it is done.
Impact outside leg.
Umpire's call is overturned. Nice running there. 2 added to the total. You miss, I hit. Carson. Oh, that's good bowling. He hasn't followed the batter. And they lose a wicket. An important one. The crowd is eager as the spinner steps in. And the right-hander on strike. They're back in the game now, the fielding side, with that wicket. That's a monster hit. Miles over the ropes. Oh, look at that bat swing. Full extension, perfect balance, and the ball is out of here. One more added to the total. It's the left-hander on strike. Massive moment. That's a big, big wicket. Oh, that's good bowling. He hasn't followed the batter. And they lose a wicket. An important one. They're back in the game now, the fielding side, with that wicket. That's a monster hit. miles over the ropes. Oh, he got the elevation just right. It's gone high and long, right out of the middle of the bat. It's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? It's been a good over. It's going to be the seamer now. It's the left-hander on strike. Oh, that's gone! He's castled! That's the wicket he was looking for! That's poor judgment! He's on his way back, visibly disappointed after losing this wicket. They're back in the game now, the fielding side, with that wicket. Making a few changes on the field, the skipper. A classic cover drive. Finds the gap perfectly and adds 4 to the tally. Full extension of the arms, perfect balance, and the ball does the rest. Oh, that's a run out. That's poor running between the wicket. But straight to the fielder, no run there. That's absolutely poor running. He's gone. He must be disappointed with that. A classic cover drive. Finds the gap perfectly and adds 4 to the tally.
Fantastic shot.
Just look at the replay. It's all in the timing. The ball rockets off the bat and it finds the ropes. That's gone miles high. Handsome and into the crowd. Now the replay shows how quickly he picked the length. He rocked back and launched it into the stands. Change of angle from the bowler, coming round the wicket now. Gets the elevation, gets the distance, and what a shot. Not a bad delivery, but an incredibly good shot. And starting off with spin. Right-hander on strike. It's been a very, very entertaining over so far. Gone the distance, and with that, they've won it. Oh, he read the ball so early, knew exactly where it was going and sent it backing for 6. They've done it, and the celebration on the field are a testament to their relentless pursuit of excellence.